So to get your filters, then you can ring the telephone number below. If you ring that number, they will give you the contact details of the local clinical engineering department in your local hospital, and then they'll arrange a mutually convenient appointment for both parties. You can come in and they will fit the first filter for you, and then they'll give you a replacement one to take away so that you can use this video and replace it yourself in about 6 months' time, provided of course that in the meantime the issue with the lining of your machine hasn't been resolved, which hopefully it would be.